Well, there's a very obvious trend going on in this business, and that is the paradigm shift. I literally quote, "The time for automation in forest nurseries is now." My name is Joep Hendriks. Within ISO, I'm responsible for business development. I've been active in horticulture for most of my professional career. Without any doubt, the biggest challenge of this business is to manage growth. The explosive demand for cellulose needs more forest plantations, needs more seedlings, so growers need to optimize their nurseries. So in a forest nursery, there are a couple of processes that are very labor intensive, and cutting planting is one of them. And with our machines, we literally slash the labor needed for that process. Resource efficiency, I think, is a driver for a nursery to further automate. There's significant waste currently in the process from harvesting and cutting to delivering an end product, sometimes up to 30%. And I think with automation, we can significantly reduce that waste. That's on the long run the essence of automating. And it will enable growers to produce much more sustainable.
My name is Geert. 17 years ago I started at TTA as a sales engineer, and in that role I found my passion in the forestry sector. Although the forestry industry is quite conservative, TTA has brought new innovation into this sector. The introduction of the transplanting process did bring customers efficiency, labor cost saving and energy saving. The demand of forest seedlings is so high that we now also need to use the lower quality seed batches in order to meet the demand. And when you are seeding lower quality seeds, then the germination rate is lower. So that means that you require more selection, more vision solutions in order to get a full production. And that's what we're doing in the vision transplanting process. We take a look of each individual plant and we say, is this a qualified plant, yes or no? And then we just transfer the qualified plants to the nurseries. So that means that the efficiency in the nurseries is 100% after the transplanting step. Another important process what we bring in is the selection, the grading of young plants. In different steps of the growing process, you need to grade plants. And that means grading and spacing in one process. And that's what we can supply to customers.
Previously, both companies for themselves have been looking at automating one step in a nursery process, while now we jointly offer a holistic solution.